I have problem with this IPV egg. IPV egg. IPV egg have problem with door lock. This door lock problem. I can close it properly. It's already open and open again, and I'm confused. I already have to make a tape in it, and it's not longer. Now I have a solution, a quick fix for this. Just need some cotton. Yeah, this cotton, a piece of cotton, really long cotton. Then you just make it like a bowl, this like this, and you just place it in the center of this, in the center, and close it. You must place it in the middle of this metal. Look, like this, and push and lock. It's really hard. Like I show you. Like this. If it's not working, you must like this to make it safe like a ball. You just have to try out, trial and error. It will be working. Like, oh no. Like, it's really hard. Because this is fucking problem. Like this. It's quick fix, but not even longer. You must make it. If you not close, I can close the properly. But if I give this cotton middle of this, it must be easier because it's very tight, like this. You can see it's really hard. It's long, but you must trial and error. Look, IPV egg have a battery door problem, and I can fix it very quick. You can try it in your own. Thanks for watching. Bye.